I think she sits perfect, just the way I wanted it to. Look at that. Oh. Here's land sticker. You already know. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? No way! What? That's sick. Is it balanced? Oh my gosh. That is so sick. Imagine if you could adjust it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be installing the secret that I have been saying for the past 2 videos, and I'm so excited, and they are coilovers. I have been wanting to lower my car for so long because we all know that the new Edge Mustangs just have such a bad wheel gap. So today we're going to be fixing that, and let's just get to it. I'll show you guys the coilovers, and yeah, let's get on with it. Alright guys, so here are my coilovers. They're actually Raceland, as you can see here. They're extremely cheap. You guys might know them, but they have real good reviews. I haven't seen a bad one about them yet. And if you guys don't know what coilovers are, they're basically coilover shocks. And what you can do with them is you can adjust the height of your vehicle 1 to 3 inches right here just by turning these collars right here. I'll show you guys a little bit more once we get them on the vehicle. But basically, it's for ride height and just to make your vehicle look a little better when you're driving down the road. Also, I forgot to mention, guys, we actually are at my job right now. My boss let me borrow the lift for the night so we can go ahead and install these, which is extremely nice. So hopefully we can get some cooler, better shots and maybe something you haven't seen at all in your life. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it by starting to take off the wheels. Snap-on, best tool company ever. Snap-on, please sponsor me. Wow, that's extremely light. I wonder if that's aftermarket. I didn't even know that.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and got out the spring and the shock. That spring was a lot tougher than I thought it would be. But I'm gonna watch some more videos, see if I can do it a different way. If not, we'll just do it the same way. But now it's time to go ahead and throw in the coilovers. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I know what you're thinking. We didn't show much last night, and I am so sorry about that, but it was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and we only got the front installed. But the good news is, that's the hardest thing to do while doing the suspension on my car. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rear end. Hopefully I can do it today. I think I have the right tools. I think the only thing that might be difficult is taking off my wheels, but I think I can make it work. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how low it is. And boy, oh boy, was it a pain getting home. I was scraping so bad. My wheel well was rubbing on my tire so bad. I thought it was my front bumper, so I stopped on the way home and actually took off my front bumper because I was afraid I was scraping it. I looked at it. It has some scratches, but it's not bad at all. So I am just glad about that, and I have something to tell you guys. I made a mistake, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. So here it is. Front bumper is still off, but you can see how low it is. Look at this wheel gap. There's nothing there. I have some pretty bad camber right now, but that's not an issue. I'm gonna fix that Monday. I'm gonna take it into the shop and I'm gonna do an alignment on it. But basically, when we did this and we realized we only had time to do the fronts, I was gonna go ahead and actually raise the springs to the max point so it wasn't sitting as low as possible and the rear was like up all the way, like stock height. So what I thought I was doing was raising it all the way, but I slammed it all the way. And when I lowered it, I was just like, okay, whatever, I gotta get home. It is late, and I didn't want to stay there too long because my boss had to set the alarm, and I didn't want to keep him up, so I sent it home. That was an issue. It bent my fenders, but it actually rolled them, and they look real good. That if you didn't know, people actually roll their fenders when they lower their car, so the wheel doesn't hit the wheel well and their fender. But it actually did it, and it actually kind of looks professional, so I'm completely okay with it. But here's the rear side of it. I'm actually going to slap on the front bumper right now so you guys can see how low it is to the ground, because it's kind of hard to see with it off. And I'm going to show you the rear of it and how funny it looks. It looks so weird. So here we go. So there she is, guys. I don't have it actually bolted in, as you can see. This is popping off a little bit. But that's just, I just wanted to slap it on because I'm going to be taking it off when I do the rear. That's pretty much how low she can go. And that is looking so good, but I have to raise it because of how much this was scraping. Let me show you guys the inside. Let's see if it'll focus. You can't see it, but it did roll my fenders a little bit, but I am okay with that, so. Yeah, like I was saying though, I'm sorry I didn't get much recorded. It was just taking so long. I needed my brother to help instead of record the whole time because I wanted to get out of there. But I honestly wish I could keep it at this height and not have any problems, but it's just, it's too low. It's too bad, so let's go ahead and fix it. Alright guys, got the shock and spring out. Let's go put in the new coilovers. Alright guys, we went ahead and we finished the car. We finally got the coilovers in. The back and the front are looking pretty even. The back is maxed out and the front's about an inch above maxed out. We did notice that in the front left wheel it is scraping a little bit when I turn the wheel to the right. So I might have to raise it a little bit more, but we'll see. I also do need an alignment, so that might fix it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. It is the next day, so I get to show you guys a little bit better of what it looks like in the daylight. So here it is, right here. I think she sits perfect, just the way I wanted it to. Look at that. Wheel gap is gone, and she rides great. She's a little bouncy, but it's really not that bad. I thought it was gonna be harsh. It's not harsh at all. Look at that, sitting on the grass, basically. Here's the other side. I think she looks perfect, guys. I am super happy with the results, guys. It looks so good in my opinion. If you like it and if you think it looks good too, please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Also, please subscribe. That means a lot, guys. I love doing what I'm doing. And also, if you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button. That would mean so much. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.